Oh, so now you're believing what he told you?
It's a lot more than that, so don't pretend.
How can you believe him? Over me?
He told me and I thought, yep, that's him.
I can't believe... This hurts.
What?
He's lying and you believed him and that hurts.
Is he lying?
Yes!
Why would he?
Because that's how he is. Admit it.
Maybe.
See?
It doesn't change the fact.
I can't believe this. You're determined.
He was very upset.
I don't care.
See?
What?
That's why.
That's why what?
That's why I believe him.
What?
He said you did it because you didn't give a damn.
That's not...
And I thought, wow, you might be right.
You told him that?
No, I didn't tell him that.
Oh. Okay.
I said I believed him. I didn't tell him I believed him. But it's true, isn't it?
I forgot.
You forgot.
Yeah, honestly, I forgot.
You forgot what day it was?
Yeah.
Yeah,
I wasn't thinking about it.
you weren't.
No.
See, now that I don't...
It's true.
Yeah?
Yeah. Not until I went to bed. Then I remembered.
So he was right.
It wasn't like that. The day got ahead of me.
But then you did.
At some point.
Did you call him?
No.
So he was right.
No. He doesn't know. He thinks he knows, but he doesn't know. But you know.
Know what?
I don't want to do it anymore.
Really?
Really. I thought I could do it again, but I can't. I've thought this for a while.
You gotta tell him.
I can't.
Why?
It'll hurt him.
You said you didn't care.
I lied.
I figured.
You can not care and still not want to hurt somebody.
I don't think you can.
Well, I can. Do you believe that?
Your mom would care.
Mom's gone. It's been years. It's become what it's become. And whatever I thought I'd get from doing this thing with my brother every year on her anniversary, I haven't got. So
he was right.
He was wrong. And he was right.
Like you.
Yeah?
Yeah.